Wi-Fi has revolutionized the way we connect, but what if an even faster, more secure technology could make it obsolete? Scientists are working on the quantum internet, a mind-blowing innovation that doesn't rely on radio waves like traditional Wi-Fi. Instead, it uses quantum entanglement, meaning data is teleported instantly between particles, no delay, no interference, and perfect security. How does it work? Unlike regular networks, where hackers can intercept signals, the quantum internet is fundamentally unhackable. If someone tries to spy on your connection, the quantum state of the data automatically changes, making cyber attacks impossible. That's why governments and tech companies are rushing to build the first fully operational quantum network. It could redefine cybersecurity forever. The speed factor. Forget buffering, weak signals, and slow downloads. With the quantum internet, data could be transmitted faster than ever imagined. Scientists believe it will eliminate lag completely, allowing for instant AI communication, high-speed financial transactions, and even real-time space exploration. What could it change? AI-driven smart cities with fully encrypted communication, brain-to-brain digital interaction using neural interfaces, unbreakable banking security that prevents fraud, instant space communication, making real-time Mars live streams possible. When will it arrive? Quantum networks are already being tested worldwide, with the potential to replace traditional internet infrastructure within the next decade. Some experts believe major cities will get quantum-powered internet within 5 years, bringing a new era of global connectivity. Is Wi-Fi already outdated? The quantum internet promises zero lag, ultimate security, and real-time global interaction, something Wi-Fi could never achieve. Would you trust an internet powered by quantum mechanics? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more future tech discoveries.